have moral responsibility and historical responsibility to see into it that we implement the purpose as to why we fought to have a country. All of us should be thinking about this. Why did we actually spend all these years, 17 years in the time of Anyanya, 21 years in the time of SPLM, and we achieved the historical achievement of having independent Republic of South Sudan. And this is the achievement to all the people of South Sudan, and to the SPLM in particular, because it is the party that actually lead us to this greatest achievement. So it is now time of nation building. Is one thing, liberation is one thing, having a country is one thing, but building a nation state is also another thing. It needs its mechanisms, it needs its people who are able to build. And who, the people are there. The people are the people of South Sudan. So for us to build, we cannot build a country with compromises. We cannot build a country with favoritism. We cannot build a country with the thinking that this is my tribesman, this is my neighbor, this is my schoolmate or my classmate. No. Bilet biabenu ala sabi strategia. Bilet biabenu asab siyasat. Bilet biabenu asab utaamal de muasasat o muasasiyah. So, City Council is one of the institutions established in accordance with the laws of this country. So, Yanas, simple on City Council, people of South Sudan, allow City Council to do its mandate. And allow the counties also to perform their mandates, allow the states, allow the national government to do the mandate. We need to go beyond our emotions. If we stick to emotions, then remember the emotions. It is logic that is used for building the country. So that is what I have really for you in this brief discussion.
So, thank you very much. Our first exclusive with you. Next time we'll come to our studio.